Government consolidation is the main focus of a new Marist poll being released today. With declining revenue across New York State, Governor Cuomo has proposed consolidation as a way of cutting costs. But do New Yorkers think it can happen without eliminating some of their essential services? Marist pollster Dr. Lee Miringoff was on the radio with our political analyst Fred Dicker this morning.
One of the major surprises along those lines in the study is that people are open to the topic of governmental consolidation at the local level. This is something for specific
Why would that
services.
be a surprise?
Well, because the conventional wisdom is, there's a lot of talk over the years about government consolidation, but when push comes to shove, no one's really that serious about it.
Right.
I think that maybe now the page may have turned on that one, and I think that what we saw in these numbers is that people, if there's not a loss of local identity, if they still can maintain access to decision maker,
right.
If this can quality, cut costs, make things more efficient, well, people are very open to this.
But Miringoff says it all depends on the services being consolidated, because the poll shows that while New Yorkers don't want their school districts consolidated, they are in support of others like transportation.